Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be planting some onions. And so we've got what are these? These are just some Statagata, something like that. But I'm just gonna get these off from the staples like this. But if you do enjoy these videos, make sure you do like the video, subscribe, because I think we're like 3 subscribers away from 100 subscribers, so it'd be a quite big milestone for the channel. So if you are new, please subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm just opening the packets up a little bit more, and I'll show you them in a minute. So this is just the onions, and so this is the bottom. You can see with all the roots, and you want to plant them this way, so this bit's facing top. And we've got 100 of these, 50 in a pack. We've got 2 packs, so we've got a busy 15 minutes. So we're gonna get prepared, and then we'll show you how to plant them. So I'm just getting the soil ready for us to plant the onions in, and so I'm just gonna go along like this. Move back a little bit. And so I like loose soil to be planted into, and you can probably start these off in pots, but we're going to just start them straight off into the ground. But you could probably put them into a greenhouse if you wanted to. And so I'm just going to go here and do this bit a little bit. So I'll move that rock out of the way. Right, last little bit. Just go like this and then. Right, so this is the last little bit. We've got a couple more bits to do. Move that out of the way. Right, this is the last section, and now I'm just going to lightly go over it with the rake just to make sure it's all loose. I'm probably going to open this section a few times. Right, that section will probably be good. Right, so now all the soil's loose, we're going to start planting the onions. Take a few out, just get a handful out. Might open it up, I might open it back up a little bit more. Right, so just take a handful out. Alright, and I'll come back to that in 2 seconds. But what you want to do is you want to measure how big. So so this one's about that big. So I probably need to go pretty that deep, and you need to put them in halfway. That's pretty good. Yeah, so you need to put them halfway, and I'll explain that in a minute. But they need to be about 6 inches apart. So probably the next one's probably about here. So that's about halfway. About here. Oh, a bit close. Right, and just if you have any rocks like we do a little bit, I just move them out of the way. So just putting it here and here. Right, so now we're going to the second row. I'll put it back here. Probably is a little bit too big, so let's just raise it up a little bit. Try the identical with the row that we just did. So I've just got to finish off this row, so it was about here. Yeah, right. It's probably about halfway. And so the reason we're going to be putting them halfway in is because we're going to put a fine layer of compost over the top, and then a final layer of bark, which will just so the tops are just showing. And the reason we're going to put the compost over is because it's got feed in it, and onions are very heavy feeders. And we'll put a bark over the top so we keep the moisture in, and then we won't have to go and water as often. So I prepared another row just quickly, and I'm just going to paste them in. So we're going to do the rest of camera. I'm going to enlist the help of my dad to speed up the process, and we'll be back to show you the next stage. So we've got some bark and compost. So these are our 2 pots of bark, and then we've got half a big pot of compost. So we're going to be using the compost and sprinkling a fine layer. So we're going to do a little montage of us doing that. So we've got a pot of compost into place, and we're going to do a few rows just right now. So you still want the top showing a little bit, so I've just got to find the onion and uncover it a little bit. I can probably take a little bit of this and put it onto this one. So I did the compost, so me and my dad did the compost. So that was good. So we got some bark here, and this retains moisture, but also it will keep any weeds from popping through. So I'm just gonna, so you can see it's quite woody. But I'm just gonna lightly sprinkle over the top. So as over time, as the bark decomposes, this will become great soil. And we've actually got some onions in the oven because we had 100 and we needed them all to go in. So we'll show you that in a minute as well. But I need to take this pot and carefully step over so I can do this bit now. Right, so we've done that now. So I'm just going to step over here because I want to show you something quickly. So with that bark chips, the reason I said it's great compost and compost material once it all goes down is because the bed that we've got the herbs on, when we were trying to cut off all our grass, as that decomposed, we got compost. And if I come down here, I should be able to just put my hand in, and it just comes off, and it's really, really good soil. So I recommend putting some bark in over your compost, and over time that will just decompose into compost like this. Um, so yeah, that's how you put in onions. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, make sure you do like, share, and subscribe. And as always, hit that notification bell. We are so close to 100 subscribers, so please help me in getting 100 subscribers. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys. So we've watered them in now. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to hit that notification bell. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you did enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go check out this little video down below, and hit that notification bell. And at the time we're recording, we are 4 subscribers away from 100. So please subscribe. Bye.